Greetings. My name is Cameron White, Texas Media student at the University of Texas. I wanted to go into detail on a little bit of things that I've did a little research on in my journal. The concept of big data arose in my journal a couple times. I was wondering, did y'all really know that today that we create over 2.5 quillion bytes of data, so much that 90% of the data in the world today has been created within the last 2 years. This data comes from everywhere. Sensors used to gather from climate posts to social media, digital pictures and videos, purchase of transactions, cell phone usage, and GPS tracking all contribute to this thing we call big data. After a little bit of more research, I found out one of the driving forces behind this thing we call big data is the computing cloud. The easiest way to understand the cloud is to think of it as a utility, like electricity. If you plug a device into a wall, like an outlet, electricity flows. You didn't generate the electricity yourself. Cloud computing works in the same principle. Through the internet connection, which would be the equivalent of the electrical outlet, you can access whatever application files, data you have opted to store in this cloud anytime, anywhere, from any device. How it gets to you and where it's stored is not a concern, well, for the most part of the public. This recent boom in data will also bring about a change in the tools we use to measure analytics, like the new addition of Yahoo's Genome and Google's BigQuery to the analytics tools department. We now have a way to kind of analyze this massive volume of data that we're receiving on all frontiers, whether that be computing clouds or social media or even mobile